Namaste. I am Shankar Sharma from Vishwa Jyoti. Today I have brought class 9 social study from Read Morse. Welcome to the online class from Vishwa Jyoti. So let's discuss social study from Read Morse. Our text is Read More. So social study, and my dear student, class 9, today we will discuss about unit 1, we, our community, our society. So in this unit we'll discuss lesson 1 from the beginning, development of society. So let's start. What is development? So without proceeding, the term society is derived from Latin word which means socius. In Latin language, socius means friendship or relationship between the parties that are friendly. So in Latin language, society means socia, which means friendship in relation between parties that are friendly. So a society is an organized form of friendship and mutual relationship. As you know, there are different types of definition related with society. Let's discuss from text wise. Some definition are highlighted. So according to Goerings, society is the union itself, the organization, the sum of formal relation which associating individuals are bound together. So like this, McLever and Pace has defined society is the web of social relationship. Society is the web of social relationship. So in this way, next definition is by Gideon called society is the complex of organized association and institution with a community. So like this, different definition may be there in other books also you can follow. So you should be very clear what is society and why it is important. Let's discuss between relationship between individual and society. As you know that, as everyone knows that, with individual cannot exist alone. They need society because human beings are social creatures. They need to share their opinion, feelings with someone. So in this way, human being is wise and conscious social creature. So many creatures are there. Among them, human being is very wise creature. So he lives in the society where he can exist everything possible and fulfill their needs. There is no existence of society without its member. So human being is also a member of society, and without human beings, human society cannot progress. There are so many creatures in this earth. Among them, human being is the wisest one because they develop their brain. So without delaying, there is close relationship between individual and society. So as we know that individual and society have very deep relationship. Without one, another cannot exist. So human beings had developed their society from the primitive age and have reached to the modern era. So in the long journey, lot of difficulties they face and lot of progress they have achieved. As there are so many examples, we human beings are very creative, hardworking, so that we got the progress. So let us discuss the next points, characteristics of society. According to this text, there are so many characteristics. First one we discuss, a society is dynamic in nature and needs the individual to change with the time. Society is not fixed, it is changeable. Every time society changes according to the demand of the time. So next one, a network of cultural social relationship. As we know that society, different cultures are there. Nepal itself has many cultures. Nepal itself has multicultural country. So Next point we will discuss, associated with the institutional development on the basis of creative policy. So society is best as institutionalized. Society develops, institutionalized their creativity works, they expo and they compare with each other for the progress. So next point, every member of society protects his her rights. So people exist in the society so that their rights can be protected. So they have human rights, they have different rights. Social development is the main aim of society. Why people need to stay in society? Because here have some social aim, social progress. So they need the society. Next with feelings of ownership, mutual interaction, activeness and unity in the society. Feelings, yes, I know. As we know that human beings have feelings. So they need the society so they can express their feelings, their emotions, so that society is the place where they can maintain everything, having common aim and the need of individual living in society. Every society, peoples have common feelings. So everyone have the common feelings so that they exist in the society. If they are having no common feelings, then they may not be in the present society. Next one, interdependent in another important characteristics. Yes, individuals interdepend in the society with others. So as we know that farmers, doctors, teachers, drivers, carpenters, so many people exist in one society because they need one another's help. So in this way, there is maintenance, relation between one another. Society is abstract. Society is abstract. Next point you see, mutual relationship between member of the society, interrelationship between the member of the society. So one another's understanding is there, closeness is there. So next we proceed ahead, next page. So next topic is development of society. As we know that in earlier classes of class 8, class 7, we have learned about society progress from the primitive age and reach to the modern era. So development refers positive or progressive change. As we know that development means growing or progressing is known as development. In class 8 we have already discussed about this. So everything is changing, nothing is fixed here. So the positive change in social incidents, progress and structures is known as the development of the society. Like this, development of society indicates the development of society means transforming of social structures, social relationships, social institutions, etc. It's changing form. Every society is transforming from simple to complex. Now, before the society were very simple, now society get complex according to the demand of time. So society changes from primitive to modern era. And so features of development of society are highlighted in your book. Features of development, usual and planned, point 1, point 2, process of transformation, religious equity, unequal place of development, focus on reconciliation, unpredictable, fair judicial system, universal process, collective change, gender equity. So these are the features of development of society. So without delaying, let's review. So in this class we have discussed about the word society has derived from which language? Latin language or Latin word, which means progress or friendship between the parties or friend. Society is organized form of individuals and mutual relationship. So different definition highlighted from different writers. We have discussed 3-4 definitions. So after that we will discuss relation between individual and society. Without individual, society, no existence. It's very clear. Then we know about how society got progress, how the society has came into existence from the primitive age. Society changes and reach to modern age in the way of progress and changes. Lot of difficulties, lot of changing came in the life of human beings. So Nepali society is multicultural, multi-religious one. As we know that lot of traditions we learn, lot of religions are exist in this society. So everyone should be conscious about their own society and its betterment. So today I like to focus for you one homeworks from this lesson, development of society. They are very simple homeworks for you. Just you prepare a chart reflecting the characteristics of your own society where you exist. Okay, this much for today. Thank you. Namaste.